You've seen that little gif. Humans are just more complicated houseplants. You know, everybody just needs some sunshine, some water, some good positive affirmations spoken to them every now and then. That's a really great way to teach kids about gardening, right?
We're gonna let that one grow, Albie. Okay. You can pull that, Benjamin. That's ready to go.
Farm to Table Kids is a garden-based education community where we help kids find what lights their heart in nature. We do that through regenerative farming, farm-to-table cooking, and nature crafting. We have summer camps, we have a national school garden curriculum, and we will soon have a year-round learning campus here in Cumberland, Maine. Everything starts with the promise of a seed. So a garden is about cultivating what you have and creating an environment of caring and kindness and prosperity so it's abundant and it's reciprocal. I want to show people, I want to teach people how to create your own garden spaces and then how to engage your kids with it. Because a lot of people can grow, but maybe not a lot of people know how to take the stuff coming from your garden and get kids activated with it and get kids engaged and like really vibing with what you pull from the garden.
Potato! Can I have a potato? Because I don't have any good potatoes. Can I cover the whole thing?
Yeah.
Science, math, STEM, art, everything, every topic of school I can think of ties back to the garden. I understand that it's intimidating, but it really shouldn't be. And we try to take that intimidation out of it so that it's just really simple. This is how you plant, this is how you care for it. Don't spend too much time over caring for it. Walking that balance of teaching people. So going on our website at farmtotablekids.org, you can find plenty of learning materials to take you through your year-round garden adventure. But also, you can be part of the Farm to Table Kids movement by joining the Farm to Table Kids after school or summer camp programs that we have to share. I would love for Farm to Table Kids to be the leading resource in kids' garden education. Gardens are amazing! Look at all the magic created from a garden. So that's what I want to do, garden magic.